Good evening, maayong gabi sa tanan, sawadee ka. So we are now in our series number 10. So we are now in number 10, Life of a Teacher here in Thailand. What we're talking tonight is about the SSO, or what are the benefits of a government teacher. Government teacher first, then tomorrow will be the private school teacher. First, we have the SSO, or the Social Security Office. In the Philippines, we call that the Social Security System. So what are the benefits if you have the SSO? Most of the government teachers, they have that SSO. First, you have your maternity benefits, death, old age, accident, injury, hospitalization, and unemployment. For the maternity, this one, I really like this one. Before, that was 15 years ago. So kung manganganak ka, bibigyan ka ng gobyerno ng at least 50 to 55,000 kapag manganak ka. Recently, parang nasa na lang siya, 30 to 35,000. Yes, you can get that from the government. Tapos, yung anak mo pa, bibigyan siya ng 500 to 800 baht per month. That is per month until 6 years old. So as far as I know, that is 6 years old. So saan yun kukunin ang bayad? 5% of your salary. Basically, that is, for me before, 750 baht per month. It's deducted from your salary. So you have your maternity. Kung magkasakit ka, uoperahan ka, major and minor operation, covered lahat yan. Wala kang bayad. Unlike sa atin na lalampas na siya, so magbabayad ka pa ng personal money mo. Dito, lahat covered siya. Major, minor operations, accident, yun. Yun ang nakakaganda sa government na may SSO ka. For example, mawalan ka ng trabaho, so bibigyan ka ng certain amount din ng government. Death, meron ka rin makukuha. Then, kung retirement age mo, for example, 55 years old. So 55 years old, for how long ka nagtrabaho, may makukuha ka rin, even you are not Thai. At the age of 55, kahit na siguro hindi ka na mag-work, nag-stop ka ng work, then you will come back here to claim your SSO benefits. So makukuha mo yan at the age of 55. Second, may bakasyon ka, October and also summer, March and April. Then you will enjoy the field trips. Twice a year for the students' field trip and the teachers' field trip. Yan ang benefit na ma-enjoy mo talaga. Then you will spend your holidays, may mga walang pasok. So marami ka talagang ma-enjoy ng mga day offs sa government school. Tapos free lunch din. Pero ang pinaka gusto ko talaga yung SSO insurance nila. Maganda talaga siya, hindi ka mag-worry kung magkasakit ka. I think that's all for tonight, and see you all tomorrow.